Hi there, today going to learn about how to link to external pages in Squarespace. So here I am in my Squarespace website. Let's just click on edit and you have different ways to link to external pages. So I will show you. So for example, I have an image right here and I also have a text, and you can basically link to any external page just as long when you click on it there will be like a chain icon. So for example, here I'm clicking the text. When I click on edit, there will be this chain icon right here, and then for this image there is a chain icon as well. And then you can also do this to a button. And for example, for this button I also have this chain icon right here that is a hyperlink. So for example, let's just add an image for this one, maybe like this. And let's wait for it to load. And then now we have our image, and then right here, for example, I'll just put that, and then I will make this bigger, and then let's input the hyperlink. For example, I will link to an external page which is Google. Just copy this link and then paste it, and then just click on out, and then you are now done. So you will know that you are done because there will be a hyperlink indicator right here that is an underline. And then for the button, you can do that as well. For example, I will just change the design, and then I will attach the link. I will link it to youtube.com, and I will paste the link and then click out of our button, and I will just close this one. And then for example, right here as well, you can also do it for the image. Just click on the link, and then for example, just type in google.com as well. So all of these elements that I've created in Squarespace all lead to an external page outside of our website. So just click on save and exit, click on preview, and once we click on this text right here, it leads to Google. And then for the button, when we click on it, it leads to YouTube. And then when we also click on this image right here, it leads to Google. And that is how you create an external link to different websites in Squarespace. And that is it for this video, and thank you for watching.